Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. As you know guys, this is our first day of the 30 days yoga challenge routine. So in these 30 days we are learning yoga from the starting from the basics. So don't skip any part, watch this video till the end and do with me and learn yoga step by steps with the proper technique, with the proper breathing and the proper posture. So don't skip and if you like this end of this video, then you know what to do. Just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will follow me for the next upcoming days. So guys, this is day 1. So first we start this one with the warm up and then Surya Namaskar and then some yoga poses, and the last with Shavasana and pranayams we end. So first let's do I'll do one time and I'll tell you what I mean how many times you should do these things, and then go with the every poses with the proper instructions. So now let's do stretching. So guys, let's start with the the stretching part. So first we have to start our full body, full every joints. So after we'll do the asana, then we don't get any cramp or anything that hurt our body. So first we have to stretch or warm up our every joints, every body part, and that's the everyday routine. You have to stretch or warm up every day your body before we doing any kind of yoga pose or any exercise in fact. Okay, so now let's say first the full body stretch. First we do that's called the Tadasana yoga pose also, but we use this one into this the body stretching. So first lock your fingers like this one, like this, and then put your hands on your head and then stretch your body upside and comes to your your toe. So it looks like this one. First you breathe in and breathe out. If my hands is maybe the half there's not fully, you can't see my hands like from this side, from this way. So just keep in mind I'm doing like this one. The upside I'm doing like this one and stretching my body from my bottom or from the toe. So keep in mind, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it at least 10 times. So let's do one or two more times. Now the same thing but we from the front side. So from here, breathe in, lift, breathe out, down, comes on your toes. This one also at least do 10 times and just be comfortable, just stand comfortable. Don't go let your legs like this part or don't be like this one. Just be comfortable. The normal usually how you stand, that's the exactly the way you should standing while you're doing this stretching part. So now we done the full body part in once. Now we do the one body part at a time. That means especially we are focusing on the body joints. So first let's start from the head side, from head to toe. So first in the head toe you will understand which one or which is the body joint. So first joint is your neck part. So first how we do your neck. First let's just our face just lift and drop, but there is a breathing technique, so you must keep in mind, and that's how we do. Let's see and learn. So first while breathing lift your face, and while breathe out drop your face all the way lift, all the way down. Okay, keep in mind this one is the first one because we are doing one movement, just up and down. So keep in mind, do it all the way but be comfortable. Don't go more than you can handle, or you will feel more maybe kind of the pain. So just be comfortable. Let's do one more time. One more time. Okay, now let's do the right and left side. So first breathe in, and while breathe out turn your face right side, and while breathing breathe out. So there is a catch here. See, first here breathe in. So while you breathing out, you're going the right side, you're turning your face, your neck the right side. From here, while you breathe in, so till here is a breathe in, don't breathe out here. Keep moving your head, and from here is a breathe out. So it's like that. Breathe in breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so it's one thing from here to here. It's one, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so keep in mind. Let's do one more time and just to understand fully. First, let's breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and from here breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Very good. So do it at least 5 times each side. 5 times up and down, 5 times right, 5 times left. And now the rotation. First rotate your neck. So how we do it? This one is don't go all the way like down and deeper. Just do it at the just little bit. Just rotate. You can rotate your neck. But there is also breathing technique. While you getting taking your face back side till here is a breathe in, and when you're coming the front side it's a breathe out. So let's do 2 more times with each side. You have to do at least 5 to 7 times. So let's do it. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time and breathe out. Now let's do the anti-clockwise. One more. 2 times, but you have to do at least 7 times. And if you think that you are doing very slow, or I'm just showing you 2 times and you have to do 7 times, so you can just pause this video and then finish, and then you can just resume from here. So now we done with the neck part. Then just think about the next joint of our body. So from neck it's a shoulder. Okay, now we do the shoulder joint stretching or warm up. So how we do it? First with the rotation of our hands, but there is a breathing technique. So how we do it? First, let's put your hands like this one, and while breathe out, take them backside, and from the front, like from the here, the upside, when you touching your hands, your elbow, the front, then it's a breathe out. Okay, let's do at least 2-3 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do at least 7 times. Now the anti-clockwise. So how we do anti-clockwise? So first let's start from the upside here. So while breathing, go like this one, and from here it's a breathe out. Whenever you squeezing your chest, and you're putting so much pressure on your chest or your stomach, then it's a breathe out. When you're expanding your chest, when there is an opening of your chest or your lungs area, then it's a breathe in. So keep in mind, this is the golden rule of yoga breathing technique. So keep in mind, whenever you're doing like this one, whenever you're putting so much pressure here, this area, that's mean it's a breathe out. And when you're expanding like this one, okay, then it's a breathe in. Now let's do the anti-clockwise 2 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So it's a 2 times, but you have to do at least 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise. Now we done the one variation. Now there is one more, and that's the up and down, only up and down. Here you can do the breathe normal. Do it at least 10 times. So up, down, 2, down, but all the way. Don't do like this one. No, it's a half one. No, please don't do all the way. Do all the way up, all the way down. 4, 5. Do it at least 10 times. So after doing our stretching to our shoulder, how we do the next one? That's the next joint. There's any guesses which one is the next joint in our body now? Shoulder. And now let's come to the upper body part. It's our elbow. So how we do elbow? Hands wide, fingers just wide, and let them kind of stretch and give them some good amount of stretching here, like this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it at least 10 times. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here is a breathe normal. Okay, you don't have to focus on breathing. Now after that, there is a next joint is our wrist. So let's do with the wrist. So first there's clockwise and anti-clockwise. Do it at least 5 to 7 times each clock and anti-clockwise. Now the small joints in our fingers, see here. So let's do like this one, and then Okay, now we're done with the upper part. So where is the another joint now? The next joint is our vest. Yes, guys. So for this one, especially we do this one wide open our legs. So be comfortable as can you wide your comfortably. You can stand on that. You don't have don't lose your balance and just it's like that only. And first is our hips rotation. So first put your hands like this one and rotate like this one. And here there is a catch. Don't just try to rotate your hips area, your waist area, not the upper part or not the lower part. So it's like that. Okay, so 10 times clockwise, 10 times with anti-clockwise, but I'll show you how exactly sometimes people do wrong. So they go like this one, like this one is very wrong. You just have to, we are doing exercise, we're stretching out the this waist area, so we have to just do like this one. Okay, so 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Breathe is normal here. And the next one, in this one we especially the cover up the side waist area, this area. Okay, so in this one first bring your hands straight up, just put near your ear, and the next one is here, next hand is here, left hand is here, right, your right hand is straight up, then is the left hand back, come to the side of your left hand. First here is a breathe in, while breathe out go down, while breathe in come, while breathe out breathe in. See, breathe in, breathe out. Let's do 3-4 times with the right this side, and then we do the right side. So first breathe in and breathe out. Keep your hands straight, don't do like this one. No, it's very wrong. Do while your hands straight, breathe out while breathing. Okay, after doing 10 times, let's see, your right hands comes down and left hand raise just near your ear. And first breathe in, and it's a breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And keep your your knees straight, don't do like this one. No, keep your head straight. And whenever you're going down, it's a breathe out. When you straight up your body, it's a breathe in. So now it's 2 times, you do it at least 10 times with the both sides. Now the next one, the last one, this one, that's a cross leg touch. So for this one, first you have to bring your hands out like this one, and it's like that, 1, 2. But there is the cage. Your hands should be straight all the way while you're finishing this one. So it's like this one, this one. How you gonna? Sometimes people how they do it wrong. See, this one. It's like this one. No, we are not doing like this one. We have to make our hands like just exactly 180-degree with the straight line. Okay, keep in mind like this, and do it at least. If you are above 50 years old and you have a high BP issue, then do it at least 15 to 20 times. And if you are young like me, then you can go like 40 times. Okay, 40 times, that means 20 times each side, 20, 20, that's equally 40. So that's now finished with the waist area. Now let's do with the our knee. So here breathe normal and just rotate our knee 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise. A little bit bend your knees and then rotate. Okay, now the last one, the last joints are ankles. First up and down and rotate and anti-clockwise. Now with the left leg, and you can't you don't have body balance, you can't stand like on one leg, that's fine. Just hold any wall or anything that you can do there. Okay guys, so now we done with the stretching part. Now we do the next that's called Surya Namaskar. Yes guys, the first day you might be thinking, okay, now the first day how we gonna do the Surya Namaskar. That's fine, just try it. We only doing like I'll show you with the 2 times, and then if you can do 2 times, that's fine, but keep practicing this one. That's not that hard to do the Surya Namaskar. Okay, don't go the fully the exact posture. Start with the the small amount, do it slowly, and then you get to the exact proper position. But yeah, After finishing your this stretching part, if you feel uncomfortable in your breathing, that's maybe heavy breathing, then just wait for 2-3 minutes, just settle down your breathe and then go for the next part, that's Surya Namaskar. So let's do the Surya Namaskar. And if you are just relaxing for a bit, then just pause this video here and then again resume from here. So for the Surya Namaskar, I'll show you the both side. First I'll show you the right side, then I'll show you the left side. That's when we do it in sequence. First the right leg and then the left leg. That's how we're gonna do with the proper breathing technique. I'll show you. So first comes to the exact maybe the more of the opening part of the just one side of your yoga mat, like this one. Don't be in the center, because if you start with the center, you will be out of the yoga mat while you're doing it. So we start with the side of yoga mat. So first, this one is the first position, that's a Namaskar position, and this one, you just breathe normal. The next one I'll tell you how to do with the breathing proper. Here, breathe normal, and 2 is the breathing, and 3 is the breathe out. Go forward bend. Now, as I mentioned, right or left leg, here is the right leg, so it's a 4, and I take my right leg back side while breathing, lifting my face. 5, both legs behind. Put your heels on yoga mat. Breathe out, it's a breathe out, okay? 6, it's a normal breathing. And 7 is breathing. 8, it's a breathe out, again the same position. And 9, as I take my right leg backside first, so I'm taking my right leg ahead first, and 10, breathe out, breathe in, and it's a breathe out. So I did in this one with the right leg, now we do with the left leg, but I only count 1 to 12 steps, and then the breathing also. If you don't find it, still you are confused with the breathing, then it's like that. The first position is the normal breathing, then it's a breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and the normal, again breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So one position is a breathe in, the next one is a breathe out. So keep in mind that there's a no normal breathing in Surya Namaskar, especially whatever I'm teaching here, okay? So next one, normal breathing, 2, while breathing, and 3, breathe out, and hold every position at least 3 to 4 seconds, okay? Breathe out. Now it's the left leg. Breathe in. 5, breathe out. 6, breathe normal, or you can just breathe hold. 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. Again the left leg first, breathe in. 10, breathe out. 11, breathe in, and 12, breathe out. Okay, so now we done with the Surya Namaskar or sun salutation also. I did with the 2 times. If you still have energy, you can go for the 2 more round, or maybe the 2 more times, one with the right and one with the left leg. So today is just don't do more than 4 times. That's mean 2 with the right, 2 with the left. And now relax for a bit, maybe 2-3 minutes, so you can settle your breathe. Okay, now let's do with the some basic yoga poses. That's today we are going to almost with the standing yoga poses. Especially we are the first day, and we don't want to go that the hard part, so let's do some basics yoga poses. So first one that's called the Uttanasana, and that's especially the standing forward bend. This is how we're gonna do. Let's do with me. I'll show you one time, and then you have to do at least 3 to 4 times, okay? So just learn the basic steps with breathing. So first, while breathing, bring your hands out like this one. While breathing, till here it's a breathing. Keep your the fingers wide open, stretch them out, stretch your full body. Breathe in, and then from here it's a while breathe out. Go forward bend and breathe out, and your hold your position here at least 10 seconds. It's okay if you can't reach here to your your toes. That's fine. If you are here, still it's okay. Don't worry. But just try to keep straight your knees. Don't do like this one. Okay. Just try to be like this one, and try to touch your heels. If you find if you're still here, it's fine. Your hair is good. Here, that's okay. No issue with that. I'm just holding here, so I'm holding. It's breathe out and count at least 10 seconds in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. While lifting your hands, breathe in and stretch out and breathe out. So this is the one. So you do it at least 4 times. And while doing this one, you will feel stretch here, this body part. That's very good. That's exactly we are doing here. The next one is from the back bend. Okay. So in this one, the first one, so it's a basic, and that's why we are doing with the support of our hands. So first, put your hands like this one, fingers down facing like this one. Okay. Keep in mind, and stand like this one. And while breathing, lift your body from back bend. Okay. So here, while breathing, go and go as back as you can go comfortably. Don't lose your balance. Okay. And hold here at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while breathing, okay, do it at least 3 to 4 times, maybe 5 times. But keep in mind, if you're alone, you're doing alone this one, then don't go too far the back side, because otherwise you will lose your balance. And if someone is there, that kind of can give you support with the hands. He's putting hands kind of for the support under your back. Then it's fine. You can go a little bit more than usually you can go. So that's the 2. Now the third one, that's the Tiryakasana, or the triangle pose, you can say, the side bend also, you can say. So for this one, you have to little bit wide your legs, stand on that, or you can keep your balance and just little bit leg wide, and while stretching your full body like outside from this area with your hands like this one, open your fingers and go the one. While breathing, go ahead and hold your hands like this one. See this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, and then bend your body in one side. So first, I'm doing working on my right side, so I'll bend on the left side. So let's do it. And while breathe out, you're going the left bend and hold your position for 10 seconds. Hold your breath, don't breathe in. Okay, so 1, and while breathe out and hold your position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while breathing and breathe out. Okay, do it at least 3 times with the left side. And now let's do with the right side. But keep in mind, this one I'll show you how exactly people sometimes do it wrong. Like they go like this one and they put hands like band like this one. Don't do this one. Keep them straight like this one. Okay. And one more thing, don't go like the front band or the back side. Try to just go exactly the side one. So it's like this one. Don't go like this one. Okay. It's like this one. So do it at least 3 times with the left side, 3 times with the right side. Now the next one, that's called warrior pose or Veerbhadrasana. Very basic, very everyone can do it. So let's do with this one. So this one is the last today's yoga poses. After that we will do some pranayams and then finish with this one. So for this one, keep your legs wide, and first let's do with the right side like this one. So just turn your right side like this. Okay, first like this one, you comfortably standing, don't losing your balance. Go to the left side like this one, sorry, right side. And from here, first go and bend your knees. And while breathing, lift your hands and bend your back and hold your balance. Hold your position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while breathe out and breathe in. Do it 3 times at least with the right side, and now the left side. So just 10 left side. First, breathe normal till here, and while breathing, do this one. Hold your position. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe out. Breathe in. That's today's yoga position. Now let's do some pranayams or some breathing techniques. So guys, now that's all about the yoga poses. Now the last thing we will do, that's pranayams. So today we are only doing one pranayam and the one breathing technique, and that's Om chanting. So how we do this Om chanting? First, you have to be in the knowledge pose, knowledge mudra pose, like this one. Just touch your skin, don't touch with the nails like this one. Just try to touch your skins together, these 3 fingers like the straight here, and keep your hands on your knee, your knees, and keep your hands straight, and your back straight, and don't sit like in the loose body. Just sit straight, be comfortable, be aware about your body, and eyes closed, and then slowly deep breathe in through your nose and breathe out with your nose. Now again, one more time, breathe, deep breathe through your nose, and then start your Om chant. And do at least your Om chanting almost 60 to 65% of O sound, and last 35% around sound. So let's do it together. First, breathe in. One more time. Deep breathe in. You will do this one at least 5 to 7 times, and after this one, let's go to the Shavasana or corpse pose, the last one. So don't open your eyes, just lay down slowly on yoga mat. Just lose your body, no tension, any body part, and just if you can't make it in one way, lose your body, then just start thinking one body point at a time, and the body part loose and relax, and then go for another body part. So I'll tell you today that how we gonna relax our one body part at a time. So let's start with the head. First, just think about just your head, the hair, this muscles, just the skull, just lose that body part. Now comes to the forehead, relax that part, eyes, cheeks, and throat, mouth. Just think about that and just relax their muscles. Now slowly drop your shoulder, no tension there. Relax your hands, your elbow, and your hands finger. Just lose them, just don't stretch, or there's no tension there. Now just relax your stomach, relax your back, thighs, knee, and your calf and heels. Just relax. Be in this position at least 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly start focusing on your breath. And after that, just rub your both hands together like this. Warm your palms and slowly, gently put on eyes, then forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. Let's do it one more time. The same eyes, forehead, cheeks, and throat. And now slowly open your eyes and turn of your right side. Be in this position at least 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, just support with your hands, both hands, and just sit like this one. Don't come directly from the front side. And now we're done with our today's yoga class, but the last stretching, because we did some of this yoga asanas and everything, so maybe there is some extra gases in your stomach, so we want to remove them. We don't want any gas in your stomach, so let's remove it and settle our every joint. Just put your hands on your knees. First breathe in here, and while breathe out, go from first to the right knee side, and then again while breathing left, and the same breathe while left side there. Now again breathe in and breathe out and go front side. And we done today's yoga class. So guys, now you done your first day yoga class, and I'm very happy that you did that. And how you feeling after finishing of this class? Please mention comment section. I really love to know that how you feeling after doing this one. And guys, if you find this one useful, then share this video with your loved ones so they can also join this my yoga class for 30 days and they can get the benefit also. So that's all about today's yoga pose. Yeah, but last one thing, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, so you'll get every video updates for the next at least for 30 days with me, so you can learn a new yoga routine every day. So that's all about today's yoga class. Tomorrow is the second day, so we learn something new, something different, yoga poses, different this pranayams and everything. So just be with me, keep doing it. Thank you, bye, namaste.